The areca palm is tropical palm with long arching fronds and a bushy appearance, also called the butterfly palm, golden cane palm or yellow palm. This is a powerful indoor palm tree. You can grow more areca palms from a single plant, and this areca palm propagation by division will teach you how to propagate by division of areca palm plant. Place your potted areca plant indoors in bright, indirect sunlight. Only water it when the soil has partially dried and feed occasionally. Indoors, areca palm do best with mostly sun-bright light exposure from a south or west facing window, but avoid giving it too much direct sun. Like many palms, areca palms are sensitive to overwatering and cannot be tolerated being waterlogged. Let the soil or pottings dry out slightly between waterings. The areca palm is a heavy feeder and requires fertilizing in each season, especially during the growing season. Do not feed during the winter when the plant is dormant. Indoors or outdoors, this plant does best in average temperature of 65 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. When grown as an indoor plant, keep the leaves away from the cold windows, air conditioners and heat sources. Pruning areca palm is not necessary. Never prune off the brown tips of your palm fronds unless the frond is dead. Clipping brown tips might cause frond growth to cease. Although the task of propagating an areca palm plant by division might seem daunting initially for fear of harming the plant, it is a fairly easy process if you handle the plant gently and carefully. Before dividing the stems from the main plant, remember to water it well so that the soil gets loosened up a bit while ultimately allow you to separate the roots more easily. When removing areca palm from its pot, gently shake the soil of its root and try to identify the roots attached to the different stems. Once you have identified the stems to be divided, use a sharp knife to cut them away from the parent plant. Make sure to preserve all the major roots, feeding the stems, and try your best to keep smaller roots intact if possible. To grow areca palm, soil mixture is very important. You have to use gardening soil of 50%, river sand of 25% and organic compost of 25%. Mix all this soil and having an effective drainage is important for areca farm. An excellent soil drainage is crucial to grow areca palm. Take a pot, make a small hole and fill with a small stone for the effective drainage. Fill the pot with a soil mixture of garden soil, river sand and organic compost. Place the newly divided offspring into a pot containing a mixture of standard potting mix. Water your newly divided plant thoroughly, ensuring that the root ball is nicely moist. Some of the potential problems for areca palms: yellowing leaves often caused by a lack of water or humidity. Yellow leaf spots, these are an indication of a nutrient buildup. Flush the soil or repot and use a balanced water soluble fertilizer every 2 months. Brown tips, brown palm leaf tips could be due to the plant being in a cold draft or a dry environment. Root rot, a common sign of overwatering with many houseplants including palms. Hold off watering until the soil dries out. Repot if necessary to dry and revive. I hope you like this video. Happy planting. Thanks for watching.